Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with Mr. Bond. I'm Anna, and with me today is my favorite co host, Tom. Hi, Tom.
Hello, Anna, and hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. We are so happy you're here with us today.
Today's episode is very special because we're talking about something that every learner struggles with, but also something that can completely change the way you speak and understand English.
Yes, today we will talk about how to think in English every day. Not only learning English, not only practicing English, but truly thinking in English, naturally and automatically.
If you've ever felt slow in speaking, if you translate every word in your head, if English feels difficult because you think in your native language first,
Then this episode is perfect for you.
we'll explain why thinking in English is important, the mistakes that make it difficult, and most importantly, we'll teach you practical, simple, daily habits to train your brain to think in English naturally.
And don't worry, everything we share today is beginner friendly. Small steps, easy techniques, simple examples. You can start using them right after this episode.
So stay with us, relax, breathe, and enjoy this lesson. You're going to learn so much today. Let's start with the big question. Why is thinking in English so important?
Here's the simple answer. If you always think in your native language first, you will always feel slow. Your brain has to do extra work. First think in your language, then translate, then speak. This creates a delay.
Exactly. And this delay makes speaking stressful. You pause too long. You forget words. You feel nervous.
But when you think in English, everything changes. English becomes faster. Your mind becomes lighter. Words come naturally.
Thinking in English also improves your listening skills. Because when you hear English, you don't need to translate. Your brain directly understands the meaning.
And it helps your pronunciation too. When you think in English, you start hearing English sounds inside your mind. This helps you speak more clearly.
Plus, thinking in English builds confidence. When you stop translating, you feel more free. You speak without fear. You trust your brain more.
So remember this. Thinking in English makes you faster, more confident, and more natural.
Now let's talk about the mistakes that stop learners from thinking in English.
Mistake number one, translating everything. Many learners translate word by word. This is slow and sometimes wrong.
Mistake number 2, thinking too much about grammar. Yes, grammar is useful. But if you pause to check every rule, you can't speak naturally.
Mistake three, fear of mistakes. Some learners are so afraid of saying the wrong thing that they stop speaking.
And mistake 4, not surrounding yourself with English. If English is only in the classroom, your brain won't switch to English mode.
Don't worry. We'll teach you how to fix all of these.
Now we'll show you how to train your brain to think in English every day. We'll go step by step, slowly and clearly. When you wake up, look around your room. This is my pillow, my blanket, the window, my phone, the sunlight. Your brain starts connecting daily life with English. Describe simple actions. I'm brushing my hair. I am cooking eggs. I am opening the door. Speaking softly to yourself helps your brain build English patterns. This builds direct English thinking, instead of excited equals translation. Try excited equals very happy and eager.
Don't try to make long, perfect lines yet. Start small. I'm tired. I want tea. It's raining. Then expand slowly. This is powerful. Imagine a small conversation in your head. What should I do next? I'll take a walk. I feel calm today. This helps English become your thinking language.
Listen to easy English podcasts. Watch beginner videos. Choose simple English songs. Keep English words around your home. Use English when cooking, driving, walking, relaxing. Your brain slowly switches to English mode. Then we add daily mini scenes, daily quiet English thinking moments, English during breaks, English while waiting, English during chores.
English planning, English reflection, English imagining, English journaling, English describing emotions, English describing weather, English describing people, English describing actions, English describing plans, English describing memories, English describing feelings, English describing hopes, English describing fears, English describing dreams.